We're here with Ryan Walton from US Bank.
Hey, everybody.
They have a program at US Bank that some people might not know about. So if you have a doctor in your life,
Yep.
they have something called a physicians programs, loan specifically for them. Can you tell me about it?
Correct. Yes, we have an awesome physicians program. So it's kind of specifically for medical doctors.
Okay.
It's for physicians who are just within 6 months of finishing the residency, or who have completed the residency within the last 10 years. So there's some specifics there around how long you've been in the business there too. But we have some fixed rate and variable rate options if that's the right thing for you. We have loan amounts that go all the way up to $3 million, which obviously that's
so if you know a doctor that's just getting out of school,
right.
They might get a loan for a house that's like $2 million.
So obviously it depends on the situation.
Yeah, okay.
So that might be for the more seasoned physician, kind of that. But there's low down payment options with no PMI, that's really the big perk to this program. And there's some,
and it's all based like on projected incomes and those things, right? That's why.
Correct.
It's that way.
Correct. We will be able to use some future income within certain timelines of closing dates and things like that. So
I thought it was a good thing to bring up because I actually have had physicians, new doctors, new surgeons, those kind of things use this program.
Yeah, it's great.
It worked out great.
Times.
I thought it was worth making a video about it and actually telling people that it was out there.
Yeah, it's a wonderful program. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at any time.
Okay.
Cell number 651-329-7894.
Great. Have a great day, everybody.
Thanks.